Introduction to linking CSS and HTML.
Want your website to look great? Linking CSS to HTML adds colors, layouts, and style to your web pages. There are three main ways to connect CSS and HTML: external, internal, and inline styles. Each method serves a different purpose, and knowing when to use each one is key for beginners learning web development.
External CSS, the best for most projects.
The external CSS uses a separate .css file. You link this file to your HTML using the link tag in the head section. This method keeps your code organized and allows you to style multiple web pages with one CSS file. It's the most popular and recommended way for larger websites or when working on several pages.
Internal CSS, styling one page only.
Internal CSS means writing your CSS inside a style tag within the head section of your HTML file. This method is best when you want to style only a single page or test some new designs quickly. However, it won't share styles between multiple pages, making it less flexible for bigger projects.
Inline CSS, quick but limited.
Inline CSS is applied directly to HTML elements using the style attribute. For example, p-style color blue makes just that one paragraph blue. Use inline styles for quick tests or tiny changes, but avoid them for general site design. They make code hard to maintain and aren't reusable.
Choosing the right CSS linking method.
Pick your CSS method based on your project's needs. Use external CSS for most situations, as it keeps things tidy and efficient. Internal CSS is for one-page styling or prototypes. Choose inline CSS only for very specific changes. Mastering all three helps you write cleaner, more flexible code as you build your web development skills.